Emmanuel, Ricardo, and Jeff. I think Jordan.
Go forward, there you go, drop it down. Drop down, spin around, there you go, grab that back. Drive. Grab that back, Emmanuel. Lift him up. Emmanuel, out the side, let's go, turn around. Turn around, get to your stomach. Let's go, Emmanuel. Spin around, Emmanuel, get to your side, let's go. Spin around and get to your side, Emmanuel. Okay, I want him on his back. Let's go, spin around, there you go. Use your legs, your legs. Let's go, turn around. Spin. Shoulder press. Spin. Relax for a second, he has nothing there. He can't score right there. Let's go. You're down, though. You're down. Let's go. You got 3 points, you need to go. Emmanuel, grab onto his head and grab onto his shoulder. Now flip him over. Use your legs to flip him. Let go of him and spin. Stay with your hands on the floor. Stay with your hands on the floor. Let go and stay with your hands on the floor. Let's go. You need your hands on the floor, man. You're going to spin. You can't spin his body. Get your hands on the floor and let go of him and spin around. Okay? So put your position. Let's go. Let's go. Spin around with your legs, not use your legs.
Work your right arm.
Let go. Get your right arm. Get your left arm in between your stomach.
Bury your head, Jeff.
You got 2 minutes and a half left, Emmanuel.
Lock your hands up there.
Okay. Emmanuel, let go of him and get your hands in between him. Your head and his stomach. Let go of him. Emmanuel, let go of him. Push up.
Circle, Jeff.
Push up on his shoulder. His shoulder. His shoulder. His elbow. His shoulder. His shoulder. His shoulder. Let's go. You need your legs if you want to twist them. You need your legs. You need your legs. You need your legs.
You gotta bury your head to the mat.
Now twist. 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 There you go. Twist more. There you go. Guillotine now. Guillotine. Fall back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. You get your head back and get his head. Let's go. Choke it out now. Let's go. Get your legs wrapped around him. Legs.
Good, Jeff. Good.
Get him off you.
Relax, Jeff.
Emmanuel, legs. Turn. Get up now. Get up. Get up and roll. Get up and roll.
Keep going, Jeff. Circle out. Good.
Very good. Let's go. You got a minute 20. You got a minute 20. You got about 3. Let's go. You're going to take down his mouth. Let's go. 3. You got time. Good. Watch the full mouth, Emmanuel. Watch the full mouth.
Jeff, just secure that side.
Let's go. Reach your knees underneath you.
Get your hook, Jeff.
Now roll, Emmanuel. Roll. Roll, Emmanuel.
Get your hook, Jeff.
Roll. Twist it up. Pull it. Pull it and twist. Pull it up and now twist.
Yes,
Twist.
settle back. Get that other hook in. Now get right back
Get
in.
up now. That's 3.
Good, Jeff.
Total 7
Seconds,
rows.
Jeff.
You need a rotation, Emmanuel. Let's go.
Jeff,
Roll
don't
it, give
do
it
it
all.
now.
Let's go,
There you
Emmanuel.
go. There it is.
Get your chin in. Get your chin in. Spin towards him. Towards him. Towards him. Towards him. Let's go. Jump it down. Jump it down. There you go. Submission. He's retired. Let's go. Emmanuel, roll onto your back. Roll onto your back. Roll onto your back.
Yes, knock it down.
Pull it. Pull it down. Pull it down.
Squeeze.
Pull it down.
He's going up. Good. Let's go, Jeff.